Good morning, Grommy. Friday, May the 22nd. Hoping to get a little rain. Hoping to get a little rain yesterday. I've been holding off on the watering of these kids. I give them a little slight bit. I did give dragons some water this morning. Everything else I'm holding off on. Got some little squashes coming on. My little crook necks. My Brussels sprouts are still bug free. Go Captain Jacks. I don't know what the hell is going on with this damn thing here. I don't know whether she doesn't like the Captain Jacks or what. But this is the only one going crazy. And that damn... I cut that lower branch off. Underneath that zucchini is a little test. Supposed to help make it grow quicker. I'm too sure about all that. Looks like it's aborting to me. I don't know, maybe I need to throw some damn all-purpose or some flour girl in here. I don't know, we'll see how it grows. They got a feed coming up. I ain't too sure about it though. We'll take a quick look over here. Ching, ching, ching. Look around, see how it looks like I can push a few up underneath the webbing here for the dragon. We'll come back and check her out. And I think I'm gonna hold on to that peyote form, calf's peyote form, because I ain't too sure. I am not positive that she's a damn female yet. I mean, that she's a male. We'll look at her in just a second. Plenty of blooms coming on. My damn cukes, I've been picking the blooms off. Letting the plants come on up a little bit better before I let them go into flower. I'll probably pick all these off. Yeah, let me get you up off this damn stand. Hold on a second. Yeah, I ain't quite sure whether them are balls or not. Yeah, let me back up there. Ain't quite sure. So we're gonna hold on to her for a minute. I got 4 Luigi cheese beans in the soil down there just in case. Yeah. Parody Farm. Miss K's Rockamelon Haze. And I got Mr. Man's Blueberry. Sprinkling a little bit out here. We're gonna jump on her real quick while I'm out here. I'm gonna clip over those 2 branches there. And I'm gonna clip over those 2 branches there. I'm gonna get set up here. We're gonna give Bob at Robert's place his trading clips a shot. Let's get it. Okay, dokie. Yeah, I got a bag of 45-degree clips. Oh, let's knock this big old fan leaf off here. Let's knock this sucker off. What we got here? I don't know what that was. Oh, big old sucker there, boy. Looking good, Mr. Man. Looking good. Let's give old Bob a try. Yes, indeed. Just was good enough. Didn't block that node. So that tells me I'm probably going to have to go get one of my other ones. Oh, no, we ought to be able to get it. Look here. Can you see him? Can you see Granddaddy? It's Granddaddy along them legs. Yeah. Let's go ahead and take this one off over here. Sorry, Granddaddy. You need to get the fuck out. Big. Beautiful. Beautiful looking lady there. Mr. Man. Beautimus. I like it. I like it, I like it, I like it. Oh, let me see where we're at. Might want to move you a minute. Hey. Just behave yourself. You'll be all right, Grummy. Oh. We're going to have us a Charlie Brown Twistmas Twee. Yes, indeedy. Cha-ching. I can dig it. I can dig it by one more clippy. Oh, shoot, I got a couple. All right, let me get you up off here. We got a couple bugs. Got a granddaddy long leg there. And we got a granddaddy long leg up underneath that fan leaf I'm getting ready to knock off. Let me relocate this boy. I'll be right back. I saw a baby praying mantis over there in my Brussels sprouts yesterday. I was gonna get him on video, but when I went back for him, I couldn't find him. Oh, 45 clippers are doing the thing, man. Right on. I can dig it. Oh, let me get you up off there. Hold on to your bloomers. Whew. Oh, timber. Ooh, we almost knocked something out. Almost broke something. Goddamn Marvin. I don't know what I'm gonna do to that boy. Come on, rain. Got a stiff breeze. We doing this yesterday evening. I don't know, we ain't getting much of nothing. I'm praying for it. Have a fantastic day, Grummy. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.